If you are getting a WinRAR compression error on your PC, it usually means there is a problem with the file, storage, or system settings during the archive process. First, make sure you have enough free disk space because compression requires temporary storage to create the archive. Check the files you are trying to compress. If any file is corrupted or currently in use, the compression process may fail. Run WinRAR as administrator to avoid permission-related issues. Try compressing files in a simple location like desktop or documents instead of protected system folders. Disable antivirus temporarily because security software can sometimes interrupt file compression. Make sure the file names are not too long or do not contain special characters, as this can cause compression errors. Update WinRAR to the latest version to fix bugs and improve compatibility. Try compressing a smaller batch of files instead of a large group to identify if a specific file is causing the issue. Restart your PC to clear background processes that may be interfering with compression. If the issue continues, reinstall WinRAR because a broken installation can cause repeated compression errors.